And weather-wise, we're talking about this potent storm system that we're watching heading our way. This is the last active weather for a while, okay? This is a pretty potent storm right here across the middle part of Alabama right now. And you can see on the cold side, it's snow out ahead of it. Still warm, moist air, but that cold air will be winning out as we go through time. Right now, we're seeing scattered showers across the upstate, starting to fill in now across areas of Anderson County and Lawrence, Spartanburg, Clemson as well. Looks like a heavier shower north of Lawrence, while farther to the north into the mountains, you're seeing scattered showers at the present time. We do have a tornado watch to our south in the low country extending into the panhandle of Florida. We're not under a watch, but we are still concerned about that potential for severe weather tonight from about 1 to about 3 or 4 a.m. A slight chance, low chance around Lawrence, Greenwood into Abbeville, and then Anderson, Greenville, Spartanburg. You have a marginal risk of seeing severe weather. So, you know, we could be looking at a lot of rain. We had a lot of rain last night, maybe a low to moderate chance as we go into tonight. Small chance of hail, but the winds could be damaging both with storms and without. They're going to be very strong, and there's always that chance of a brief tornado spin up. In the mountains, the snow is going to be flying. Winter weather advisory into areas around Hendersonville, into Rabun County, northeast Georgia. To the north in that pink color, that is a winter storm warning where we're expecting about 6 to 12 inches of snow. So we're seeing the rain building in as we go through the overnight, and you can see how the red and yellow colors increase out ahead of that system. That's why we're concerned about some of that severe weather on the warm side, and then the cold air rushes in and the snow flies. Asheville, Franklin, into the mountains. Could see half mile to less than a half mile in visibility, maybe half to 1 inch per hour rates there. And then the rain starts to move out in the morning hours. Still some lingering snow into the mountains as we go into Monday morning, and then it clears out, and then it's just plain cold as we go into the afternoon hours. Now, what I'm thinking is rain across much of the upstate. Could see some flakes mixed in north of I-85, maybe a coating right along the state line, 1 to 3 inches for City and Waynesville into Clayton in this deeper blue color, about 3 to 6 inches. And in the highest peaks, about 6 to 12 inches of snow. And the winds are really going to crank up. We have a high wind warning from Clemson to Pickens, northern Greenville County, and a wind advisory from Lawrence, 385 and points east. So it's going to be ferocious, those winds. In fact, you can see the center of this low moving right along the interstate. Look at these wind gusts by 5 a.m., over 40 miles per hour in a lot of places. And as the system exits, we'll see a lot of that gusty winds as well. And that's going to be coupled with falling temperatures too. So it's going to be very, very cold, but at least the winds will start to calm down as we go into the evening hours. As far as rainfall rates, they're going to be coming down pretty good. In fact, I think as with this system, we could be looking at 1 to 2 inches of rain and maybe more. We finally dry things out, but it gets super cold Tuesday into Wednesday. And then we're going to see the return of moisture. Another front moves through later in the week with some rain, maybe more mountain snow as another shot of cold air comes our way for the upcoming weekend. For tonight, 36 for the upstate. We're looking at the rain and storms late. East-northeast winds 10 to 20, but gusting up to 40 as we get into the morning hours. Very windy. And for the mountains, rain changes to snow, and that snow will come down heavy at times. And the winds are going to be howling out of the northwest, 15 to 30, gusting over 40 miles per hour at times. We've got the morning rain and snow showers tomorrow. Goodbye warm temperatures, no more 60s and 70s there. 47 tomorrow, down to 27 Tuesday morning. Sunshine on Tuesday, 48, 54 Wednesday. Maybe another shower chance Thursday, and then another big push of cold air by the end of the week. 40s for highs Friday and Saturday. For the mountains, snowy later tonight into tomorrow morning. 37 with that mantle of white on the ground. 17-year low Tuesday morning. Cold as we go through the week. Another shot of cold air by the end of the week. 37 on Friday.